Hi everyone, welcome to Microbit Lesson 2. Today I want to talk about my project. It's named Mario. It's the music Mario. How to do this one? I go to Mario, my project. Here. This is my last lesson 1. Let's review about lesson 1. At lesson 1, we talk about the screen of microbit. The screen of microbit have only basic input, anything else. And we have download. This download is need to connect of the microbit. It's made in China. And then when we go in this first, we see one start and forward. One start is mean the one start that we can put basic, like look like show number, show let, show icon, show string, clear screen, pass, and show a row. Input we have one button, one shake, one pin, button, direction, pin, anything else. We have music, LED, radio, and anything. Is it variable? Do you know variable? A variable means a variable that you can put them in the box, like variable name. We can use conner, like that, con. Like that, it set con to 0 like that. You can put like that, but it's not correct. Basic. Oh, example, if you put on this one type is wrong, how to discard this one? First, you click on this one and then go see, you see this one, and then you discard. Thank